Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Jordan 3 in the OG black cement colorway. Released in late November 2024 here in the UK for the retail price of £190, it comes in a black Jordan box with cement print on the side. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white cement printed paper with an orange Nike Air hang tag, which is a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Originally released in 1988, designed by Tinker Hatfield, the Jordan 3 is regarded as a classic amongst sneakerheads and was the first Jordan to include that visible airbag at the heel from Nike's Air Max line. Since the 2018 retro, this original colorway is back, this time in a smoother black tumbled leather upper with a slightly lighter grey cement print accent. Nike Air remains at the heel with red insoles. The softer leather is much appreciated, but I would have liked them to include the Jordan retro cards and the original bubble Air Nike tags that came in the 2018 pair. The Jordan 3 is one of my favourite models because of its wide foot friendly, decently comfortable, and it's just an all-round classic, well-built mid-cut sneaker. I recommend staying true to size, and my pair didn't have the usual Jordan defects, which really impressed me. I have no complaints about this release. Actually, my only complaint is that £190 retail price, but as usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment cement to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, are these better than the 2018 release? Did you pick these up or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.